with us we'll learn today. So fun in every way. B-I-S-O-U-S. Chef Bisous.
Hi mini chefs, I'm Chef Bisous. I am so glad you've come back to join me in my magical kitchen. Magic Micro, what are we learning about today? Opposites. What are opposites? Opposites are things that are completely different from each other. For example, ice cream is very cold and soup is very hot. Cold and hot are opposites. This smiley face is happy. This one is sad. Happy and sad are opposites. This box is open. This box is closed. So open and closed are opposites. Yay! Sous Chef Encore is here.
Hi, Chef Bisous. What are you and the mini chefs learning about today?
Hi, Sous Chef Encore. I was just telling our mini chefs about opposites, like hot and cold, happy and sad, and open and closed.
Oh, I actually have a fun little game about opposites.
You do? Can I play?
You sure can. Magic Micro, work your magic. You can sing and dance along if you know this song.
We're gonna have fun today. In the basket, a quick little game. I'm so excited, I can't wait to play and learn about opposites.
Let's take a look into our opposites picnic basket, Chef Bisous.
Ooh, okay. What do we have here? A block of cheese and peanut butter?
For round one of our game, I want you to feel how these are opposites. Take your finger and feel the top of each.
Okay. Interesting, Sous Chef Encore.
Do you feel how these could be opposites?
Yes, I think I do. Bumpy and smooth.
Smooth and bumpy.
It's the opposite game where we learn as we play.
Wow, that was neat, Sous Chef Encore. I wonder what's next in our opposites game.
I think you're gonna like this one.
An apple and a banana?
Yep, for this round, I want you to hear how these are opposites. First, try a bite of this apple. Next, take a bite of this banana.
Mmm.
Do you hear how those are opposites?
Yes, I think I do. Crunchy and soft.
Soft and crunchy.
It's the opposite game where we learn as we play.
That last round was so much fun. They were crunchy and soft. Could we also say that they were quiet and loud?
Yes, that's right. There can be more than one type of opposite to describe something.
Oh, how cool.
Yeah, so for our final round, do you think you can tell me how these next foods are opposites of one another in more than one way?
Oh, that might be tough, but I'm willing to give it my best try. Okay, here goes. First is this ham.
Oh my goodness.
I also have these raisins.
Can you see how they can be opposites in more than one way?
Yes, I think I do. Big and small.
Small and big.
Heavy and light.
Light and heavy.
It's the opposite game where we learn as we play. It's the opposite game where we learn as we play.
That game was so much fun. I'm feeling pretty hungry. Would you like to bring this food back to our kitchen so that we can put together some lunch? I think they'd be perfect in sandwiches.
Magic Micro, can you please send us back to the kitchen?
Whoa!
Thanks, Magic Micro.
Chef Bisous, this doesn't look like sandwiches.
You're right. We're missing a key ingredient.
Bread.
I have two types of bread here. White bread and a baguette.
Can I please have the baguette?
Sure, I'll take the white bread. Now to assemble our sandwiches.
Wow! These look so
Right? And they're opposites.
They are?
Yes, Yours is full of crunchy things like that baguette and the apples, while mine is very soft with the soft bread and the bananas. Yours had that big ham in there and mine the small raisins. And remember that bumpy cheese? Mine has the smooth peanut butter.
That is so cool, Chef Bisous. All right, it's eating time.
Wait! Hold on, Sous Chef Encore. Food is so much more enjoyable after we clean up.
You're right.
Tidy, 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 everyone should clean. Tidy, 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 part of the routine. Tidy, 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 put your things away. Tidy, 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 for another day.
Thank you for joining us today to learn about opposites and learn more about the yummy ingredients for our opposite sandwiches. As always, a yummy dish deserves a chef's kiss.
What's the opposite of yucky, Chef Bisous?
Delicious!
That's right. These sandwiches are delicious.
Bye, mini chefs. Can't wait to learn and cook with you again next time.
Chef Bisous.
Hey grown-ups, like and subscribe and head over to our website, chefbisous.com, for free activities, recipes, music, and more for your mini chefs. Thanks for watching.